Welcome! In this comprehensive tutorial, we'll walk you through the entire process of registering your company on the MyInvoice portal and connecting it with QNE AI Cloud Accounting. We'll cover everything you need to know, including 1. How to register your company on the MyInvoice portal. 2. Adding QNE as an intermediary for LHD and E-INVOICE. 3. Register QNE AI Cloud Accounting as an ERP in your MyInvoice taxpayer profile. 4. Linking your QNE AI Cloud Accounting profile to MyInvoice. Let's dive in and get your registration and integration process underway. Part 1. How to register your company on the MyInvoice portal. Step 1. Visit the MyTax website. Open your web browser and go to https://mytax.hasil.gov.my. Step 2. Log in. On the MyTax homepage, log in using the Director's Identification Card number. Enter your username and password, and then click the Login button. Step 3. Access MyInvoice. Once logged in, select the company you want to set up. Then, navigate to the menu and select MyInvoice from the available option. You will be prompted to read and accept the terms and conditions. Make sure to review them carefully, and then click Proceed to continue. Step 5. Enter registration details. On the registration page, enter your SST registration number. If applicable, also provide your tourism tax registration number. Step 6. Verify address information. Ensure that your address, country, state, and postal code are correct. Double-check these details and click Save to update your information. Step 7. Provide contact information. Enter your notification email address and choose your preferred language from the available options. Click Save to record these details. Step 8. Complete registration. You will see a registration completion page. Review the information, and when you're ready, click Finish Setup to finalize your registration process. In Part 2, we'll focus on adding QNE as an intermediary for LHD and E-INVOICE. This step is essential for configuring QNE correctly as your intermediary on the MyInvoice portal. Properly setting up QNE ensures that your company can utilize QNE's digital certificate when submitting e-invoices, facilitating seamless and compliant invoicing through QNE AI Cloud Accounting. Step 1. Access your taxpayer profile. In the MyInvoice portal, click the Profile drop-down menu at the top right corner of the screen. Select View Taxpayer Profile from the drop-down list. Step 2. Navigate to the Representatives section. Scroll down to the Intermediaries tab under the Representatives section. Click the Add Intermediary button. Step 3. Enter QNE details. Input the following details for QNE Optimum SDN-BHD. TIN, letter C, 238-888-24100. BRN, 201-301-039-442. Company name, QNE Optimum SDN-BHD. Step 4. Validate information. Click the search icon to validate the TIN, BRN, and company name. Once validated, click the Continue button to proceed. Step 5. Configure representation dates and permissions. Modify the representation from and the representation to dates. It is recommended to set the dates for 10 years. Enable the following permissions: Document, Submit, Document, Cancel, Document, Request Rejection, and Notifications, View. Click Add Intermediary to finalize the addition. Excellent! You've successfully added QNE as an intermediary on your MyInvoice portal. To authorize QNE AI Cloud Accounting to connect with the LHD and MyInvoice portal for e-invoice purposes, you need to register the software as an ERP. Let's get started with registering QNE AI Cloud Accounting as an ERP. Follow along as we walk you through the process. Step 1. Access the ERP registration. Scroll down to the Representatives section and click on the ERP tab. Click Register ERP to start the registration. Step 2. Add ERP system details. Enter QNE AI Cloud Accounting as the ERP name. Set client secret expiration to 3 years. Tick the Primary ERP System checkbox and click Register. Step 3. Copy and save information. MyInvoice portal will generate a client ID and 2 client secrets. Copy these details immediately and store them securely. Check the box to confirm you've copied the information, then click Done. Note: the client ID and client secrets are shown only once, so ensure you keep a secure copy. Great job! You've successfully registered QNE AI Cloud Accounting as an ERP in your MyInvoice taxpayer profile. In Part 4, we'll link your QNE AI Cloud Accounting profile directly to your MyInvoice account. This step will ensure that your systems are fully integrated, enabling seamless e-invoice submission. Step 1. Configure e-invoice settings. Log in to QNE AI Cloud Accounting. Navigate to the e-invoice menu, select e-invoice settings, and then choose the Credentials tab. Under LHDN API Connection, click Connect. Step 2. Update company information. If you haven't completed filling out the required information for the e-invoice, the Company Seller e-invoice required information screen will appear. This screen will display the details you've already set up in your company profile. To proceed, ensure that you update the following required information. Company name: the legal name of your business entity registered with the local authorities. TIN, your company's tax identification number. Company registration number. Update to the 12-digit SSM number format, as MyInvoice validates based on this format. MSIC code, the Malaysian Standard Industrial Classification Code, representing your business nature and activity, Malaysia only. Sales tax or service tax registration number. If applicable, the primary SST registration number used for MyInvoice purpose if your business is SST registered. It is not required if your business is not SST registered. Tourism tax registration number, if applicable. Move to General tab and fill up the company contact information such as the. Select the country and state, input the zip code and city. Complete the address, input on Address 1 and Address 2 field, the registered default billing address of your company. Add email and phone number. Once done, click OK. Step 3. Enter credentials. You will be redirected to the LHDN API settings screen. Here, you need to input your client ID and client secret. Next, choose the environment you want to connect with. Sandbox environment. Select this if your key was generated from https://preprodmyinvoice.hasil.gov.my. Live environment. Select this if your key was generated from https://myinvoice.hasil.gov.my. Choose the appropriate environment and click OK to finalize the connection. Step 4. Verify connection status. Check the connection status. If successful, it will update to connected. Congratulations! You've successfully linked QNE AI Cloud Accounting with MyInvoice and configured all necessary settings. You're now ready to seamlessly submit e-invoices and manage your transactions efficiently. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates and tutorials. Next generation of accounting. QNE AI Cloud, your partner in ensuring LHDN e-invoice compliance.